This is how long it takes. And it hurts. I know, it's exciting. I haven't really figured out, like, the hair issue. I mean, it's hard to do with one hand. Who did? It's a school morning. She's doing school morning prep. I'm just standing here.
Okay. What up, bro?
Now I get chauffeured everywhere. Kiddos are dropped off at school. Chivalry's not dead. I'm still able to pump gas. Thank you, California. And now I gotta go get some dog food. The hair, I know. I'm trying. I'm figuring it out. The stash is drooping too. It's a learning curve, okay? And you guys are gonna learn with me. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you like driving me?
Like a 2.
A 2? I'm that bad?
Because we buy dog food in bulk.
Get yourself a strong, independent woman. Because it's awesome. Yes, I've been taking showers, okay? I haven't washed my hair in 2 days because it seemed hard. But I can do hard things. Oh, it's so pretty. Phase 1, complete. I gotta soak my eye, but I'm trying to be a really brave boy. How do we look? It wasn't just a phase. I don't know how to do this. This is a 2-hand job. I guess as good as we're gonna get it. And this is the majority of the day. Elevated, wrapped compression, and this is an ice sleeve because it's swollen.